Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite your friends to follow your Facebook page. So first, you need to open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application and log into your specific account. After that, switch your profile to your Facebook page. Now this is useful if you have created a new business page or you want to increase its visibility. Now to begin, you need to click on the three lines in the top right corner. And here you'll get the option of invite friends, which is indicated by the heart icon. Go ahead and select it. Now you'll get three different options to send an invite via WhatsApp, or you can also copy the link. And once it has been copied in your clipboard, you can paste it in messages or wherever you like. And there is the more option. And if you tap on it, you'll get the option to share it in different social media platforms like direct Instagram messages, WhatsApp, Facebook Lite itself, CapCut, in messages, and there is also the option of quick share. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.